So now we're going to demonstrate how to convert pngs to methods. In order to do that, we need a library we can get from Pharo catalog browser. You can find here, tools catalog browser. And it's called iconfactory. Like, you can press here the type icon and it will find you anything that contains the icon as a name. It's like iconfactory. Here you will see the website you can visit. It has the usage instructions we are actually going to explain right now. And let's see how this is done. So what you have to do is create a class. Have already created here a class, Chronos button class, Chronos button PNG. And this class is going to use to get images and convert those images to method source in order to be used from inside Morphic. Because in this graph user interface that I already explained, already I'm using a lot of images to construct this interface. So what I have done here, you can find in my GUI manifold, generate betams PNG. So it's actually very simple. All you have to do is first use this message, which is the iconfactory setup, and you set up a class. What it does is actually creates the basic structure of the class in order to accommodate for the icons, for the images, and then, of course, it creates the images themselves, create icons from directory. With this kind of message iconfactory, you pass a path to a folder that contains the PNGs, and then, of course, you also pass the class that those PNGs will be converted to sources, method sources. So what it does is, if you go here, you will see that there's a lot of icon methods, and they have a close button icon, and this is actually a message that returns a form, icons add close button icon. So what is this is actually the name of the image and the name of the method, and it creates this form here, which is use the base64 converter to convert a string, which you can find here. This is a string that has converted from the PNG, and this string is returned, and you can see here that's a private method, and it represents this exactly file here, which has the path. So this string is actually the contents of our PNGs, and you don't use this method, but this method uses this string to convert to a form, and you use this method, which is a close on button glow icon, which is going to return you a form with the icon.